In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. This is useful when you change a page URL or remove a page and want visitors to automatically land on the correct new page. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click on Navigation. Inside the navigation section, look for URL redirects and click on it. Now, click the Create URL Redirect button. You'll see two fields called Redirect From and Redirect To. In the Redirect From field, enter the old URL path you want to redirect visitors from. Then, in the Redirect To field, enter the new URL path where you want visitors to be sent. Make sure both URLs are entered correctly to avoid broken links. After that, click Save Redirect. That's it. You've successfully created a URL redirect in Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy managing your Shopify store.